Welcome back to Bike Extraction. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 Phantom ABS, a motorcycle that keeps the spirit of the classic cruiser alive. With its blackout bobber styling, smooth V-twin, and Honda's bulletproof reliability, the Shadow 750 continues to be one of the most approachable and dependable cruisers in its class. If you've been waiting for an affordable mid-sized cruiser that blends tradition with modern touches, this one is worth a closer look. The Shadow 750 has always stood for simplicity and style. For 2025, Honda keeps that identity intact, focusing on a clean, blackout design that looks muscular yet approachable. Unlike many oversized cruisers that can feel intimidating, the Shadow strikes a balance between presence and practicality, making it a bike that appeals to both new riders and seasoned cruiser fans. At the center of the 2025 model is a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin engine. It's tuned for smooth, usable torque at lower RPMs, which is exactly what you want in a cruiser. Instead of chasing high horsepower numbers, this motor delivers relaxed, confident power that makes city rides easy and highway cruising steady. Fuel injection ensures crisp throttle response and better efficiency than older carbureted Shadows. Honda pairs the engine with a wide-ratio 5-speed transmission and a shaft final drive. The shaft drive is a big selling point because it requires far less maintenance than a chain, and it makes the bike feel smoother under acceleration. Gear changes are effortless, and the low-end pull from the V-twin matches perfectly with the Shadow's laid-back character. For 2025, Honda equips the Shadow Phantom with ABS as standard, bringing an extra layer of safety. The setup includes a 296mm front disc and a 276mm rear disc, giving solid stopping power for a bike of this size. The ABS works quietly in the background, which is especially reassuring for newer riders who may encounter slippery road conditions. Up front, the 41mm fork provides 5.5 inches of travel, while dual shocks in the rear deliver 3.5 inches. This setup gives the Shadow a comfortable ride, soaking up most road imperfections without feeling too soft. Combined with a very approachable 25.6-inch seat height, the bike offers confidence at low speeds and comfort during longer rides. The Shadow Phantom stands out with its blacked-out finishes, short fenders, spoked wheels, and subtle chrome highlights on the cylinder heads. Honda has leaned into the bobber look with a solo seat style, an all-LED lighting that updates the bike without taking away from its classic personality. It's a design that manages to look tough without being overdone. At 553 pounds wet with a 64.5-inch wheelbase, the Shadow 750 is stable but not unwieldy. The low center of gravity makes it manageable for riders of different skill levels. The wide bars provide good leverage, making tight turns and parking lot maneuvers surprisingly easy for a mid-size cruiser. On the open road, it feels planted and relaxed, exactly what cruiser fans expect. With a starting price of $8,699, the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom remains one of the best values in the cruiser market. It may not have the raw muscle of bigger V-twins, but it offers reliability, style, and comfort in a package that's easy to own and enjoy. For riders looking for a mid-sized cruiser that doesn't compromise on looks or dependability, the Shadow 750 Phantom ABS is still one of the smartest buys in 2025.